When the Saints Go Marching In, some jazz. So good. The Saints Go Marching In uses that imitation we were talking about. So if you don't remember the video from Two-Handed Conversation, check the video out and you'll know what imitation is. But if you're smart like me, you may just know what that word means and figure that out. So the left hand and the right hand do relate to each other. And page 1 and page 2 also relate to each other. So you'll actually notice that page 2 is the same exact thing as page 1, and it's just the right hand is an octave up. How easy is that? So you don't have to learn 2 pages of a song, you have to learn 1 page, and then you just move up an octave for the second page. Secrets. Videos are awesome, aren't they? I love it. So the first line is just imitation, you'll get that. The second line gives you a little left hand melody. A lot of skips. So again, put the little X between the skips if you need to, if it's not working out. But you should end up on D at the end of that little phrase. Skip down and then step. Okay? That little phrase ends with a kind of like a little echo. Brings you into the next phrase. So check that out. You should be able to play from that pickup to 5 to 9, okay? Or 8. So practice that one a couple times. Make sure that's all in beat and everything, okay? The third line, or the third phrase is, again, a lot of left hand skips. And we have that little call and answer thing again. That little answer, yes I do. People get thrown off at measure 11 because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Looks a little confusing because this doesn't look like the note after it. That dotted half makes it look like it's make it look like it's longer. And since it's tied to the F in the next line, it makes it look like you have another note there, but you don't play that F at the end. Okay? So this part is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So right in beat. Alright, so keep that all in mind. We wait 1, 2, and we start this next line on 3. So start to pick up on 3. Make sure you write that in your music, because a lot of people miss that too. So we do 1, 2. And that is just octaves. Both hands are doing the same exact thing. And life is good since your second page is the same stuff. So you don't really have to think too much. You just have to move your hand up to the treble C and play the song again. I do want you to read that second page though. Don't just read this page and pretend it's an octave up. But getting used to those treble clef notes is pretty much the whole point of this chapter. So if you just read this page twice, well, there's really no point to learning that, right? Because if we're going to learn the notes, we got to start reading them. But read by directions, watch your steps and skips, or your seconds and thirds, and you should be fine. Have fun.